The shortage of childcare options for parents is getting worse. An estimated 90,000 kids in Colorado right now are on waiting lists for childcare.
Yeah, that's a lot of stress for parents. Well, now some state lawmakers are taking action. A new bill could be a game changer. Political specialist Sean Boyd joins us tonight from the Capitol. So, Sean, how would this bill help out?
Karen, by freeing up millions of dollars that child care centers could potentially use to hire and retain more providers or open up more facilities. The bill makes a simple change in the tax code that could have a profound impact in the lives of thousands of Colorado families.
Now let's just make a cake.
When Katie McDonald opened Meadows Early Learning Center in Parker 6 years ago, it was as a nonprofit. The idea being lower taxes would allow for higher wages.
We wanted to make sure that the money was actually paying teachers a living wage, taking care of our teachers, because if we take care of our teachers, they're going to take care of our children.
McDonald knew that under state law, nonprofits are exempt from property taxes. What she didn't know is she had to own, not rent the property to get the break.
When we got the letter back stating that because we only owned the business, we did not own the property, we wouldn't qualify for the property tax rebates. It just didn't make sense to stay as a nonprofit.
And that doesn't make sense to Representatives Kevin Van Winkle and Dylan Roberts. They've introduced a bill that would exempt all nonprofit child care centers from property taxes, regardless of whether they rent or own.
And that means more employees they can hire, more space they can open up. It could be a real game changer for a lot of these child care centers.
If we can save them money, just even a little bit of money, that will make a big difference for a lot of families.
McDonald says she pays $80,000 a year in property taxes as part of her rent.
Every single one of my teachers would be able to get a $2 an hour raise.
Or she says she could hire 2 more teachers to help with a wait list that's now into September of 2023. Now, it's estimated local governments and special districts will collect just over $2 million less in property taxes under the bill. The state will backfill about $870,000 of that, so schools won't be impacted. With bipartisan sponsors in both chambers, this bill has a good chance of passing and made it out of its first committee just a short time ago with only 1 no vote. Live at the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.
Sean, pay raises, hire more employees. It just sounds incredible. All right, thanks for your report tonight.